How to decorate birdhouse gourds. Birdhouse gourds are a popular, natural way to provide housing to birds. Many types of birds love the cozy feel of gourds. In addition, birds love to use the seeds and other materials left inside the gourds to build their nests. Gourds are easy to grow and dry, and if they are properly prepared, they can provide housing for birds for up to 5 years. After you prepare your gourd, decorate it as lavishly or as simply as you wish. Things you will need: oil-based exterior primer, pencil or wood burning tool, hot glue gun and glue, beggar stick optional, paintbrush and acrylic paints, permanent markers, small sponge, oil or watercolor pencils, wood stain drill and bits, wire. How to decorate birdhouse gourds. Prepare your gourd by painting it with an oil-based exterior primer if you want to paint the entire thing. If you want to leave the surface looking natural, skip this step. Sketch your design onto your gourd. You can do this with a pencil and erase the lines later, or if you want deep lines, you can use a wood burning tool. Apply colors to your design. You can use acrylic paint, watercolor or oil pencils, or even wood stains. Apply with a paintbrush or a small sponge. You can also use permanent markers, although these are better used in small areas or for outlining areas. Seal your birdhouse with 2 coats of UV-sensitive polyurethane or varnish. Let dry completely between coats. Drill a hole in the top so that you can hang it from a wire. In addition, consider drilling a small hole and inserting a peg or a stick for a bird to use as a perch. Secure with hot glue. Tips: warnings. Use hot glue to attach other decorative items such as twigs and silk leaves. Decorating the birdhouse gourd should only be done after the gourd has been properly cleaned and the entrance drilled. For instructions on how to do that, see the links in the resource section below.